Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I made these cupcake liner bows, I guess you could call them. Cupcake liner bows. And so I made a double and a single one, and they're really easy. You just get the cupcake liner, fold it in half again. So this is for the double one. You'll need two sides, this side and this side, this side and this side. And then to get the second layer, you just fold it again. And so you need two of those for this side and this side. So it's real easy. Hope that makes sense. Just staple them together. You can see the staple right there. I just stapled the two together, and then like this one, you can see I tried to wrap washi tape, but because I was putting the sticker in for the center, it kind of hides the washi tape, so you really don't need it as long as it's secured. I did add some hot glue just for stabilization, and I did use these stickers, and I attached them with hot glue as well. But a little tip with the stickers, you can use your embossing buddy and powder down the back so it's not sticky anymore, and then use the hot glue to attach it. That way any of the parts that are showing are not sticking to anything that it is nearby. So yeah, that's my little Halloween share. Stay tuned for more Halloween treats and goodies coming up as we approach the season. So these are all the ones that I made. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, there should be a playlist and recommended video here. Like and subscribe the video, and until my next one, Shakas!